it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our February 21st, 2026 Zoom class. With our Zoom classes, there is a die requirement. So for this class, we've got 5 dies out of our newest release that are bundled along with the paper extras instructions, or you can get a kit without the dies. But because we are featuring an add-ons, which is the dog and cat playful add-ons, then we do require a foundation die. So in this case, the Playful Pop-up, that is always separate purchase. We're not sure who has it already, but if you've taken either of our last 2 months of classes, you already have it because it was required for both December and January. We will be making 2 birthday cards. The first one's going to be our dog-themed birthday card. And in keeping with the goal of teaching different techniques with the Playful Pop-up, the dog card is going to be a top fold card. And then there's also going to be an extra little pop-up on the side, again made with that Playful Pop-up. Then we're going to switch over to a side fold card to do the cat card. This time we'll chain 2 Playful Pop-ups together so that we can have the full body of the cat inside the card, once again birthday themed. If you are not familiar with our Zoom class program, let me explain a little bit how it works. The required dies are required, and the reason that you need those dies is because when your kit arrives, it's going to be just kind of those bulk materials that you need to make these cards. And what you're going to do is take those required dies and the very detailed PDF instructions and prep work video that will arrive to you by email about 10 days before the class and prepare your kit. And then we get together on Zoom and we put those cards together. Now the class will be recorded, and then that recording will be sent out to the students about a day to a day and a half after the class. So if you can't make it on class day or you can't stay for the entire class, you will have the ability to watch the recording. Okay, how do you get a kit? Well, head on over to our website, KarenBurniston.com, click on the Events tab, and there you will find links to all of your buying choices. So we will sell a certain number of kits on our website. Once they're gone, they're gone. But there are also stores that are making kits for this class. So you'll find that list on our website under the Events tab. So I hope to see some of you in the Zoom class on February 21st, 2026. Thanks.